Hello friends, today's video is on Erissery, an Onam feast dish. This video shows how to easily prepare this Erissery using pumpkin and cowpeas. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. 2 cups of pumpkin cut into small pieces have been taken here. Half a cup of cowpeas have been taken. These cowpeas are cooked. Now, to prepare the Erissery, take a pan. Add the cut pumpkin to it. Add the cooked cowpeas to it. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Also add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Add the required salt for the pumpkin Erissery at this time. Now add enough water to cook it. Now mix it, cover it and cook it. Now take a small mixer jar. Take 1 cup of grated coconut. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add 3 cloves of garlic. Now use the mixer to make a fine paste. It is ground without adding water. Now the pumpkin is well cooked. At this time add the paste that we have ground. Mix it well. To get rid of the raw smell of the coconut, simmer it on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this time, place another frying pan on the stove. When it is hot, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. When the mustard splutters, add 2 dry red chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now add half a cup of grated coconut. Now, with the flame on medium, roast it well. Roast the coconut until it turns a nice brown color. When it is well roasted, add it to the curry. Mix it well. Now, the pumpkin Erissery, one of the main dishes of an Onam feast, is ready here. This pumpkin Erissery is an item that we can all do very easily. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment and share. If you're watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. There are a lot of old videos on Chef Joji's channel and Facebook page. Try to watch them. So, a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.